Rajnath Singh assures Joint Forum for Peace of Centre's help to resolve the indefinite economic blockage in Manipur. District Election Officer Imphal West holds election familiarization campaign in Kwarambat Bazaar. Governor Dr. Najma Habdullah stresses importance of food processing in the country. And United States Polo Association and Hurlingham Polo Association to clash for Statehood Day Women's Polo title. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Lighting Monica with the latest news updates. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh today assured the representatives of Joint Forum for Peace of Centre's help to resolve the indefinite economic blockage on the national highways of Manipur. 17 representatives of the forum drawn from various communities of the state today met the Union Home Minister in his office in New Delhi for nearly an hour from 10 a.m. During the meeting, Rajnath Singh told the delegation that the centre takes the present impasse in Manipur very seriously and will do whatever it can to end it. He also said he would discuss the matter with Election Commission to decide what can be done as there is model code of conduct in Manipur. The representatives of civil society organizations apprised the Union Minister of the hardships facing the people due to scarcity of medicines and essential items including petroleum products in the wake of indefinite economic blockage. They urged for centre's intervention to end the blockade. District Election Officer Imphal West today held an election familiarization campaign in Kwarambat Bazaar in the heart of the capital city to raise awareness among the people. During the campaign, demonstrations were held to familiarize the people on how to use electronic voting machine (EVM) and voter verifiable paper audit trial (VVPAT) while voting. For the first time in Manipur, VVPAT is being introduced in the 11th Assembly elections to ensure free and fair poll. District Election Officer Imphal West Robert Khedrimayum says VVPAT machines will be used in 11 different constituencies of the state. He said to ensure peaceful, free and fair poll, the election familiarization campaign will be organized in different parts of Manipur. People whose names are in the electoral roll may show PAN card, driving license, Aadhaar card as identification card to cast their vote. He also appealed for people's cooperation to make the election process successful. The CEO said voters will be encouraged to cast a vote for their favorite candidate without fear with the help of VVPAT. Volunteers distributed brochures and voter guide audio was also played to spread awareness.
Voter khudingmakna EVM gi matangda phajana khangbiba VVPAT ki matangda phajana khangbiba amadi khangaba matungda isa isana thadaningiba isa isana elect tongningiba candidate singbu kanagumba amagi natraga group kharagi akiba kihanba natraga makoina paisana natraga topa means sizinaduna vote si influence toroga thadaba nataba isana apama midu aki khang leitana yamna free fair and peaceful manner da vote thadanabagi message to pizavani.
The first list of BJP candidates for Manipur is likely to be announced tonight after 9. Sources said BJP Central Parliamentary Board is meeting from 6:30 p.m. in Delhi. BJP Manipur Pradesh President KHS Vavananda left for Delhi this morning to attend the meeting. The sources also said the names of 24 to 25 candidates might be announced today. It may be mentioned that some aspiring candidates are camping in Delhi. Governor Dr. Najma Habdullah today stressed the importance of food processing in a country where agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Speaking at a conference on the linking prospective food entrepreneurs with government schemes and markets at Classic Grant, the governor said food processing industry need to be given due importance simultaneously with attempts to increase the agricultural yields in the country. She asked the government, industries and scientists to formulate policies to attract youth of Manipur towards agriculture and food processing sector. She also mentioned that agriculture and tourism sectors deserve priority and must be promoted in Manipur. The governor emphasized the need for cooperation from banks, NGOs and other financial houses for development of agriculture and tourism to solve the problem of unemployment in the state. The conference was organized by Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India in collaboration with Ministry of Food and Processing Industries, Government of India and ICAR Research Complex, NEH Region, Manipur Center. The conference aimed at promoting food processing industry in the state by identifying young entrepreneurs and encouraging them to start their own enterprises to develop the economy of the state with the help of latest initiatives and opportunities available in the field of agro-food industries.
Food processing is the most important aspect that our country should look into. 85% of our economy with the agriculture produces. And we should try, while we try to have a green revolution, we try to increase the food production, but we should also simultaneously have food processing industry. We have to come from the lab to the people, from the processing to the people, how to involve them.
Taking advantage of the occasion, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah said the door of the Raj Bhavan remains always open to the people. She expressed her dissatisfaction at not receiving responses from the departments after she had written to them after hearing complaints from the people as the first citizen of the state. Dr. Najma Heptullah said she expects the departments to respond to her letters.
There are 4 young boys who come to meet me. They have been coming and meeting me very often. My doors of my Raj Bhavan are always open for people. They used to come and give me their complaint. I'll forward it to whichever department it belongs to and wait for the result of the state government. I'm sorry, the officers are sitting over here. I want to tell them, I'm sorry that I did not receive any reply. I expect when young people come with some kind of complaints, and a person like governor who is supposed to be the first citizen of your state sends certain letters, it has to be replied. It has to be responded, whichever way it is.
The court has denied bail to UNC President Gaidon Kamai and Publicity Secretary Sankhail Stephen. The session judge Imphal East denied the bail on the ground that investigations are going against them in connection with the burning of a truck at the Dubi Bazaar in December last year. Police conducted cordon and search operation in Thongju Part 2, Koirau in Imphal East District ahead of the Republic Day celebrations and assembly elections. The search operation was conducted this afternoon after around 3 under the supervision of Additional SP OPS Imphal West, Dr. S. Bomcha by a team of Commando and Singjamai Police Station by cordoning off the area. 6 persons without proper identification papers were picked up for further verification at Singjamai Police Station. A joint team of Commando Imphal East, Porompat Police Station and Women Police Station under the supervision of Additional SP Operation Imphal East today conducted cordon and search operation at Hattamanai Kol in Imphal East District. The search began around 4:30 in the morning. The police cordoned off the area and verified 272 men and women. 8 suspected persons were picked up for further verification at Porompat Police Station and later released. General Secretaries of Youth Guidance Club and Kongba Khetri Mayai Lekai Nupi Chaukhat Thaurang Lub have banned holding of feast in connection with the assembly polls in areas under polling station 5/38 in Thongju. In a press release issued jointly, they said the ban will be imposed till February 4. Veteran politician and former Education Minister Haikruzam Thoithoi passed away yesterday at his residence at Khumbong, Jaipur Khul. He was 83 and survived by 2 sons and 3 daughters. He was elected to the Manipur Legislative Assembly in 1974 and 1990 from Konthozam constituency. Imphal West Students Club, Khombong, condoled the demise of former Education Minister Haikruzam Thoithoi at his residence yesterday. The association in a press release said his contribution in the field of education and health will always be remembered and shared the grief of the bereaved family. People who have been taking shelter at Iram Sifai in the wake of last year's violent incident between the people of Nungai Maitai and Nungai Pangal villages under Lilong police station have decided to return to their homes. A public meeting held today at Iram Sifai community hall took the resolution to send the people to their village. The meeting, organized by GAC for Protection of Nungai Maitai, Kunai Nungshen Sinthalub and Leah Association Iram Sifai, was attended by representatives of various civil society organizations. Finance Secretary of United Manipur Committee R.K. Mangisana said the accused persons in the violent incident must be tried according to the law. He also mentioned that an understanding must be brought between the two villages so that people live in harmony.
Fangalgi Maikaidagi Nasiki Mifam Sida Amata Laktadana Mifam Pung Padavashi Yamna Laibak Thiva Puna Himinaba Amata Oina Ako Yelhongidagi Laminarpa Amata Oirani Kaluba Pungham Madu Nathairaga Satkiba Mikup Ama Uibasiki Damak Tasena Noaitabu Fawi Maitai Gisu Mara Ladiba Akogi Iselina Singse Kupsenda Beda Putuakanda Yamna Maik Singna Mara Labor Singasi Putuko Matautai Matunda Sumba Kudung Tiba Aduga community Amaga gi marakta Nusina Daba Tuiba Todo Watok Singse Makata na Tukta Nabahonabada Akoi Waroshan Namapur Winaba Yamna Matautai.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Khanghan Jaba Imphal Kangchup Tamenglong Road Pakthok Chakthok the Sokla Lamsing 95 Tauthong 64 Harang Sabal 63 Bong Pokpi 62 Khalayan Kabi 105 Lamsang Kunau 53 Lamsang 58 Awang Layan Kabi 58 Awang Layan Kabi 88 Lalambo Madi 92 Iroi Sembagi Patadar Sina Karigumba Social Impact Assessment ki report PB Hodaba Yawabadi Chatliba January Tangkun Mathoi Numidang Wan Pung Mari Fawing Manungda Directorate of Environment ki SIA unit Porampart opposite Imphal SP officer Lakpidun report Tobiran Nova Khanghanjari Akuba Warol Chatkiba January Tangtaran Ban Sanga Express Amdi Wen Lanpau Manipur edition dagi Khangbi Bayagani Khanghanjariba Directorate of Environment State Social Impact Assessment Unit Government of Manipur.
To touch the pinnacles of success for your children, get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in Education.
Yumanungi application ki mapung faba solution pir ba Durasign G6 seasonabio. Durasign asi Tata Blue Scope Steel Limited ki flagship retail brand ni. Durasign liner ki khudong chaba sing di yumanungi amasung mapan ki application ki khwaidagi yang ba phanglang kupnaba. Yan thaba siling amasung phaklang khaidoknaba gi irai lai ba solution pi. Panel sing ado phaiba amadi chap yung ba mai kai install to ba yai. Durasign Tata Blue Scope Steel.
Ma, nang natamibi school IPS have to do yam chikili fay hay come to Guinea.
My school is quality based English school. It has very competent teachers. They are highly qualified. The principal of my school is a strict disciplinarian. He teaches the student in higher classes.
Hey ma, isa di IPS ki boarding the letter the English ki command so phajana le rahe, lyrics you am hai personality talent so phajana le rahe na.
To speak English is compulsory at a school and boarding. I have the habit of speaking English all the time.
Adom ki angang singbo contribute leba IPS haibada Imphal Public Higher Secondary School the Ming Chanbio loinan apaba bahiroi payanbio.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. A team of Haingang police seized 300 liters of country liquor worth about 24,000 rupees from a Chevrolet Beat car. The liquor was seized from two persons during security measures taken ahead of the assembly elections this afternoon around 3 at Koiringai CMC Junction. The two persons are identified as Loitongbam Robert and Puritsabam Rakesh of Loitang, Laikin Thabi. .35 AR company arrested 13 cadres of NSC and IM with arms at Dimapur, Nagaland yesterday. Sources said acting on a tip of 35 AR arrested the cadres at Tizat Road while they were heading towards Mon district from Dimapur. The 35 AR personnel checked 2 suspicious gypsies and arrested the cadres along with arms. 4 AK-56 rifles, 2 KH-32 rifles, 4 pistols and several live rounds of ammunition were seized from them. The arrested cadres were handed over to Mon police station where a case was registered. Anganwadi Workers and Helpers Union Manipur State is sitting today urging the authorities to meet their demands. The demonstration were They demonstrated near the Imphal-Dimapur National Highway at Jingmairong across the Social Welfare Department. Workers and helpers from different Anganwadi centers of Manipur took part in the protest, which was held as decided by All India Anganwadi Workers Federation to hold protests across the country. The demands include rise in their monthly remuneration and pension. The protesters also submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister through the Director of Social Welfare Department.
Akoi worker helper sinje yam sizinaba medical department da ECI election commission of India makhan khudi magda sizinaba pi ribo honorarium na khajitang pi banina ekoi se government gi employee oina grade 3 4 da regularized ohan bio haiba demand worker singjina supervisor promotion lakpa matam da 50% ekoi worker dagi qualify oiba 10 years experience leiba worker dagi 50% ekoi supervisor promotion piu mai asowa topa state adi mai state na lising manga maximum tarai meada center na pi mathak da pi yam yauri adu wai khoi gi Manipur adi incentive na worker dol pasama helper dol pa yang khai pira kam da se matam sana pide.
One-day free eye screening and subsidized surgery camp was held at Bamon Kampu Khabam Purei Lomba Community Hall today. The camp was jointly organized by Irilbung Youth Club, Chingtam Social Workers Union Bamon Kampu and Kalika Lairimbi Youth Club under the sponsorship of National General Secretary of National People's Party Vivek Raj Wangkhem and CJ Eye Care Foundation. Around 250 patients underwent eye screening and cataract screening. It may be mentioned that CJ hospitals have conducted cataract operations for more than 40 patients at subsidized rate at the free eye camps held in Ketrigao constituencies.
Community hall Bangkok Khabam the Bangkoi I guess free eye camp screening camp asi Jako Yongi Yam Life Kanje Ramdi Kosomba Masiki came to I came to machine so an word go male. Allow Sway the Kaiser Lady Anapa Caesar Tan to Pingam the Kambusing and I was saying Mitchell Kambusing and Seriam Liamna Lion Pangis who like Kali.
All Manipur Wari Liba Association and Research Center, Kurai Soibam Lekai and Old Age Parel Association, Lamboi Khul will organize 5-day Wari Liba Festival 2017 in connection with Guru Puja from January 23 at Lamboi Khul Irema Mandap. Omang Laikanba Apunba Lob Ukal will hold a special meeting with the members of various bands which perform at Lai Harauba festivals. In a press release, Ukal said the meeting will be held at its office in Konung Mamang on January 23 at 11 a.m. It also appealed to all members to attend the meeting. Now news from the world of sports. United States Polo Association USA and Hurlingham Polo Association United Kingdom will clash for the title of the second Manipur Statehood Day Women's Polo Tournament. In the third league match, United States Polo Association USA trounced Hurlingham Polo Association United Kingdom 16-9. United States Polo Association Kali Persona scored 8 goals, Anna Winslow scored 5, Stephanie Messi 2 and Andy Persona scored 1 goal. Hurlingham Polo Association Sarah Jane and Annabelle McNaught scored 3 goals each and Miami JB Powell 2 goals, while Charlotte Emmy scored 1. The final match will be held on January 21, the day Manipur attend statehood. All Manipur Polo Association hosted the tournament under the aegis of Department of Tourism. Traukoi Kaithal and Highway Sporting Union Thobal will meet in the final of the 13th Naurim Bubon Memorial DSA Trophy State Level Invitation Football Tournament. Highway Sporting Union Thobal defeated Sao Kakching to 1 in the second semi-final of the tournament organized by DSA Kakching under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. Highway Sporting Union Thobal, W. Chan and L. Ramesh scored the 1 goal each in the 62nd and 73rd minute of the match respectively. The solitary goal of Sao Kakching was scored by N. Ramesh in the 9th minute. Trau Kwakaithil and Highway Sporting Union Thobal will meet in the final on the 22nd of this month. The 9th Inter-Sawongbong Invitation Football Tournament organized by Sawongbong Students Club kicked off at its ground. In the first leg match, Sawongbong Sairem Youth Club and Awang Nongpok Naharo Lamjing Kanglub Sawongbong were drawn 1-1. 10 teams are competing in the tournament. LDYO Lilong Lehau Khong, CWC Lilong Jajing Mamang Lekai and FCM Lilong Santipur defeated their rivals in the matches of state level under 14 boys 6 A-side football tournament organized by Lilong Young Social Service Union. In the first match, LDYO Lilong Lehau Khong trust CFC Lilong Jajing Chingkhong 4-0. In the second match, CWC Lilong Jajing Mamang Lekai trounced LLK Karam 12-1. In the third match, FCM Lilong Santipur defeated YCGCA Jajing Konjeng Lekai 5-3. The first ever P3 Table Tennis Academy will be opened at the Indoor Stadium of Thobal District Table Tennis Association jointly by Paradise English School, Thobal Okram and Sophia English School, Thobal under the aegis of Thobal District Table Tennis Association in the first week of February. In a press release, the association said students from class 3 to 4 who love to play table tennis can participate in the selection trial to be held from January 23 to 27. Students can submit their names by January 22 at the association's office. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Rajnath Singh assures Joint Forum of Peace for centre's help to resolve the indefinite economic blockage in Manipur. District Election Officer Impal West hold election familiarization campaign in Quirambad Bazaar. Governor Dr. Najma Habdullah stresses importance of food processing in the country. And United States Polo Association and Hurlingham Polo Association to clash for Statehood Day Women's Polo title.